Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify with Google Analytics. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open the admin.shopify.com on your browser of a computer. Click on the Add Apps option shown on the left side of the screen. After that, go to the Shopify App Store. It will open a new tab with the Shopify App Store. Here, you have to search for Google Analytics on the search bar. You'll be able to see different options after searching. Now, go back to the Shopify Admin tab. Go to the settings shown in the bottom left corner. Here, go to the Apps and Sales Channels option. Click on the Online Store and open the Sales Channels. It will open up the Themes option. Now, you have to go to the Preferences option, and here you can see the Google Analytics option. Choose the option Set up with Google. Here, you can see that there's no Google account connected here. You have to connect it with your Google account. It may be a time-consuming process. Now, open the analyticsgoogle.com website on your browser. Go to your profile shown on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Manage Account option shown here. Go to the Shopify admin website to see the processing. Turn on the emails from Google and the YouTube app. By scrolling down, you will see the option to connect the Google Analytics property. You can create the new property here. On the other hand, on the Google Analytics website, you can see property settings. Go to the property details and copy the property ID from here. In Google Analytics, create a property by providing business details. Select your business and next choose your business objectives. Choose the options you want to choose and click on Create shown down. Now, your property has been created and you can collect your data. Choose the platform of your ease. I've chosen the web. It also has options like an Android app or an iOS app. Set up the data stream by providing the website URL and stream name. If you don't want to, you can skip it now and go back to home. You can click on the profile shown here and see the code under your Google account. You can also copy it for further use. You can set up Google in Shopify admin using this code. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.